చూద్దాం. ఇప్పుడు ఫ్రెషర్స్ 2026 బ్యాచ్ కోసం ప్రొపెల్ టెక్నాలజీ సొల్యూషన్స్లో జాబ్ ఓపెనింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయన్నమాట. సో ఇక్కడ మెయిన్ ఏంటంటే వాళ్ళు జాబ్ రోల్ వచ్చేస్తే డెవలపర్ ఫ్రెషర్స్ ఫర్ ది 2026 బ్యాచ్ పాస్డ్ అవుట్ అండ్ he need just strong fundamental skills on programming and data analytical and problem solving technique is enough. Just a few communication skills and basic requirement is if you have the proficient or knowledge in C, C++, JavaScript is enough. Within the Propel, they are opening for the 2025 batch passed out as well. For the software developers, strong communication skills and good knowledge and analytical and programming skills is enough. Same C, C++, Java and OOPS concepts is required. For the 2024 batch passed out also, they are providing the business analyst openings. Next one is for the freshers, they are opening the Lumel. In the Lumel, they are opening for the product developer. Location is Chennai location and employment is full employment type and eligible criteria you need passed out of the B or B.Tech in 2026 and required skills is .NET and C plus is enough and basic knowledge on the SQL is enough. Main roles and responsibilities are development and maintenance of the high quality and scalable software applications. Next one is Anwesha Technologies. Here junior software developer opening is there. This is mainly for the Python and 50,000 to 3,20,000 per annum. And benefits is intern reimbursement and life insurance and location is in person. Next one is FAU junior developer position opening undanamata. This is a full remote full time job. Here is mainly they are looking for the practical coding review practices for the software developer, collaboration with the teams including the QA, UI, UX product teams. So they need to collaborate and main requirement is completion of the bachelor's degree and proficiency in any one of the programming, JavaScript, Python or Java. You can apply this link through the LinkedIn. Okay, I will post daily the number of job openings. You can apply directly. I will provide the links within the description. It will helps you to get the job soon. Thank you.